Hello everyone, this is CosRM said so, and today we are going to learn how to make a nice shape like this. As you can see, the musical notation is engraved on the circle, so they now are one shape. To do so, first we need them as two separate shapes. Here's a nice simple circle and here's the musical notation. Now I have to point something out. Let's say we have a shape where it consists of a fill only. Like this one here. If I want to engrave this one on the circle, it's pretty easy. All I have to do is drag this one here and then select all with the selection tool, then use the Pathfinder tool. If you can't find the tool, go to Window Pathfinder. Now pick -front tool and it did the magic. Here we go, it is now engraved. To make sure it is, you can click anywhere outside, then click on this here. This will make the background invisible, and if we have a closer look, we will see that the shape is engraved as we want. Now back to the musical notation. As you can see, the shape consists of strokes and fills, so the trick won't work unless we convert the whole shape into a fill only. And to do so, we only need two simple steps. First, select the shape, then go to Object, expand this right here will make your shape a fill only. Now to make stuff easier, I need to join all the parts of the notation into one shape. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, and to make them into one I need the Shape Builder tool. Select all Shape Builder tools. Select the parts you need to join like this. It's pretty easy and simple. Once you are done, select the shape and move it on top of the circle. Right about here, now we can do what we did earlier on this tutorial. Select all, make sure the musical notation is in front of the circle. To double check, you can go to Layers. If the musical notation is above the circle, then you are doing it right. If it's not, simply drag and drop it just like that. Select Pathfinder tool -front. Now again, to make sure the shape is correctly engraved, press anywhere outside, then click on this. If we look closely, it's engraved /cut out, and now we have one shape that we can use wherever we like to. Pretty simple, huh? If you liked the tutorial, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, lil designers.